Now, everybody needs a good, reliable flashlight, and for about a year now, I've had my little Streamlight Macrostream. Today, we're going to talk about how it's held up, what I like, and what I don't like. So, let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel, and it's not going to come as a surprise to most of the regular viewers here that I've been a fanboy of Streamlight for a very long time, longer than I've been on YouTube, and I own a variety of their flashlights in different types and different styles. No pun intended here, but I got to come clean on something. In the year or so that I've owned a little Streamlight Macrostream, this thing has been through not only the washing machine, but also the dryer multiple times. It's come out the other side super clean, no doubt about that. But what is surprising is it functions just as good as it did the day it came out of the box. Now, even with being Rhode hard and put up wet, my little Macrostream fully charges within, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours, which is normal. Gets hours and hours of battery life on the 50 lumen setting, and with that 500 lumen setting still gets somewhere in the neighborhood of 1 to 2 hours runtime. Before we get to what I like and do not like about this flashlight, well, I'm just curious what type of features you prefer in a flashlight. Hit me up down in those comments below and let me know. Let's start out with what I do not like, and the first thing is going to be a little bit superficial. This thing has a larger diameter than a lot of the other little pin lights from Streamlight, like maybe the Stylus or the Macrostream, and because of that, if you're wanting to carry this in the MOLLE strap on your bag, you can run into some issues just depending on the type of MOLLE that you have. Now, one thing that I don't care for with this flashlight is it charges through a micro USB port. I really wished it was USB-C. That matches the same charging cable as my phone and a lot of the other electronics that I have, but maybe one day Streamlight will upgrade the charging port on the Macrostream to that USB-C and just make it a little handier. Now, one thing I like about this Streamlight Macrostream is that the battery can be easily replaced. And this is nice because, of course, batteries don't last forever, but you may also want to pick up an extra battery, keep that sucker charged in your bag, and then if you ever have an issue where you lose power, you can swap out the batteries and keep on going. Now, I really like the modes of operation on this light. The 500 lumen mode gives you plenty enough light, that quick burst of a whole lot of light when you need it. But I find that the 50 lumen mode, that's plenty enough to get by for everyday use in most cases. And by using that 50 lumen mode, again, you're saving on the battery. Also really like the tail cap mounted switch on this Streamlight Macrostream. It makes it really comfortable and really easy to use with one hand. As I said before, this Streamlight Macrostream is just one of many Streamlight flashlights that I own, and they offer a wide variety of stuff that can cover just about any task you can think of. Speaking of those other Streamlight flashlights that I own, I'll have some other videos up here linked up for you to watch. If you want to check those out, go ahead and do that. As for this one, we're done, so thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.